stay alone. Maybe I played my cards wrong, oh, just a little bit. Baby, I apologize for I could fall or I could fly in your aeroplane. I could live or I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all and jump in harder than 10,000 bucks on the way. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. And don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I die writing to you. You're a mystery. I've tried to know like you. What's your history? Do you have a tendency to eat something wrong? 'Cause I've heard you. I could fall, I could fly in your aeroplane. I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all, die away every day. Don't know how much I can take. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. Don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I die writing to you. Let's hear it, everybody! I could fall, I could fly in your aeroplane. I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all, sitting back, looking at every mess that I made. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. Don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I die writing to you. Before I die writing to you. Before I die writing to you.
This dance is called Don't Call Me Baby. Choreographed by José, Miguel, Belloque, Vane. Is a 32 count, 4 wall, advanced level rolling 8 count line dance. There's one tag and one restart in this dance. Section 1. Starting with the left foot, forward rock, coaster step, recover together forward, step left foot forward and make a half turn to your left, step back and make a half turn to your left, walk forward, left, right, facing 12 o'clock. Forward, hit your right foot, make a quarter turn to your left, facing 9, cross, quarter turn right, back, half turn right, forward, facing 6, step left foot forward, make a full turn to your right, forward, facing 6, continue, another full turn to your right, half turn right, back, half turn right, forward. Section 2, step forward and make a half turn to your right, weight on your left facing 12. Step right foot forward. Make a 3/8 turn to your right, collect your left facing 430. Forward rock, coaster step, recover together, forward. Twinkle, quarter turn to your left. Forward, 1/8 turn to your left, side, 1/8 turn to your left, forward, facing 130. Forward rock, reverse, twinkle. Back, 1/8 turn to your right, side, 1/8 turn to your right, back, facing 430. Back, hook your left. Section 3, diamond fall away, 7/8 turn to your left. Forward, 1/8 turn left, side, 1/8 turn left, back, facing 130. Back, 1/8 turn left, side, 1/8 turn left, forward, facing 1030. Forward, 1/8 turn to your left, side, 1/8 turn left, back, facing 730. Back, 3/8 turn to your left, forward, forward, facing 3 o'clock. Forward, sweep your right, forward, sweep your left, cross side behind, rolling vine to your right. Quarter turn right, forward, half turn right, back, quarter turn right, side, facing 3 o'clock. Last section, 1/8 turn to your right, forward rock, recover, quarter turn to your left, side, cross, facing 130. Twinkle, quarter turn to your left, quarter turn to your left, forward, side, 1/8 turn to your left, forward, facing 9. Twinkle, forward, side, 1/8 turn to your right, forward, facing 1030. Twinkle back, forward, 1/8 turn to your left, back, side, facing 9 o'clock. Cross, quarter turn to your right, back, half turn right, forward, facing 6. Quarter turn to your right to 9 o'clock. Step left to the side, sway to your left, sway to your right. Now you're facing 9 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. In a dance, there's a restart on wall 2. You will dance 20 and count, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 2 with count, starts facing 9 o'clock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and this is the end of 20 and counts. Now restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. There's a 6 count tag occurs during wall 5. You will dance 16 counts, then add a 6 count tag. Then restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 5 with counts, starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So this is the end of 16 counts. Now do the 6 count tag. Forward, 1/8 to your left, back, side, facing 9, cross, quarter right, back, half turn right, forward. Now do a quarter turn to your right to 9 o'clock, step left to the side, sway to your left, recover, sway to your right, hip sway, left, right. With the counts for the tag. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.